name is Ayo, and I invest in Philadelphia and surrounding cities. So before I met Whitney, I listened to a lot of her podcasts. I actually did a lot of buy and holds, and I stumbled upon Whitney through listening to one podcast she was featured in. I liked her energy, so I started looking up more podcasts that she was in because she was doing something that I was really interested in, which was lease options. Probably by the fifth, sixth podcast that she was featured in, when I found out who she learned from, the mentoring course that she took, I went, found out the guy and took his course. Nice guy, nice program. I wasn't getting that much traction. I took it back in December 2017. I joined Whitney's program back in June, I believe. By September, I got my first deal done. That first deal, I got like $3,500. The next deal in October was $10,000. My last deal for 2018 was $2,200. So that was like, it's been 6 months. Wow, 6 months, and I made $15,700 after joining Whitney's program. I think the person who would benefit the best from Whitney's program is someone who wants more. If you want more than your 9 to 5 or something as like an added complement to what you're getting from your 9 to 5 in terms of money, just take action, take massive and perfect action. You don't need to know everything. You just need to try one thing, then move on to the next step. If you want more and you're ready to put in the work, that's the person who I think should look into Whitney's program.